Now we are discussing about information technology. In that, why Python is an ideal programming language. Python excels in one area, which is speed, compared to traditional programming languages like C, C++, and Java. The amount of code that must be typed as far less. Here are a few Python characteristics that may encourage you to begin using this programming language for competitive coding. Variable independence. In Python programming, you need not write about the integer, long integer, short. Likewise, you need not write. Only if you write the variable name, then it will automatically understand the thing. That is the artificial intelligence of Python library. So, variable independence is there in Python programming. Python doesn't need us to define variables and their data types before using them. Additionally, this allows us range freedom as long as it stays within the hardware's allowable bounds. So we don't have to worry about integers and long integers internally. Type conversion is done perfectly. And second point of Python, why it is ideal in programming language is Python lists become the best feature of linked lists and arrays. Python lists offer a special ability to remove particular members while continuously maintaining memory locations. The idea of linked lists is rendered meaningless and null by this functionality. And additionally, insertions can be carried out wherever you choose. That is the benefit of that Python language. And the third point is special list operations. If we are unsure of the size of the list, we can reach the final member by using the index position of -1. The second to last element can also be expressed as -2 and so on. As a result, a list may be retracted. Additionally, since we don't need to define a specific list size. It may be used as a dynamic allocation array. And then fourth point is the standards. We may use main or minimum function to allocate a list entry. We can sort a list using a sorted function and count the number of instances of a specific element in a list using the count function. That is the information and the advantage regarding Python programming language.